What's poppin'? Make sure you like, comment, share this with somebody, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for all notifications. If you see the title, you already know what this is gonna be about, man. So, gonna get straight into it. You feel me? So, crypto. You know what I'm saying? With crypto, I feel like the hardest part of crypto is it's two hard parts with crypto, right? So the first hard part is um knowing what coin to pick, right? The first hard part of cryptocurrency is knowing what coin to pick because, you know, you might get into a coin that's not really valuable. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but I don't really know the value of Dogecoin. You know what I'm saying? I like that the other coin, the twin brother or whatever that they were saying, the Shiba Inu coin. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what it's like, baby Doge or something like that. I don't know. I like that coin. I feel like I made a couple dollars off that coin. With Dogecoin, I ain't never put no money in it because everybody said that the coin was a trash coin. It could be a quality coin, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I just based off what somebody else said, like, oh, it's a trash coin. So I ain't never put money in it, but I did put money in the Shiba Inu, and I made some money in that coin. So that's one of the hardest parts with investing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to put your money in a bad coin, and for, you know, a couple years, you trying to recoup your money back. Like, you've been at a loss. You've been at a loss. Like, this is the same with stocks, but you've been at a loss for like 2-3 years. You know what I'm saying? You put $1,000 in a coin, and you've been down $300-$400. You feel me? You still haven't made your $1,000 back. So that's the hardest part. One of the hardest parts about crypto, knowing what coin you should put your money into. You feel me? Uh, so you really got to do you got to do your research. Probably look at other people, see what they investing in. Like, you ain't got to you got to bank your coins off of what other people investing in. Like, if this is what people investing in, you ain't got to invest in it just because this is what people investing in. But if they give you some information on a coin and you do your own research, or you just like this person or whatever, you can give it a try. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, really, you got to do your own research behind these coins and see, which coin you really want to invest in. Because some coins, like I say, that's the thing about crypto is, well, it's about anything, right? But you don't know when a coin is going to break. So I don't think it's ever a wrong time for anybody to invest in crypto. Like, if you knew about crypto now, but you didn't invest until you was like older, like years later, I don't see nothing wrong with that, because with crypto, coins explode at different times. So you might miss Bitcoin going up to $1 million, but it's gonna be another coin like Bitcoin that's gonna go up to $1 million. You know what I'm saying? So you're not late to the party. I don't feel like you're gonna be late to the party. People do want you to invest right now, and you should invest right now, but you might get in at the right time and buy the right coin, and you know what I'm saying, and hit the lottery. You feel me? So I don't feel like no time investing is gonna be the wrong time to invest. You feel me? I feel like anytime you invest is the right time for you to invest. Anytime you want to invest is the right time for you to invest. If you don't want to invest right now, you want to invest 10 years from now, 20 years, 30 years from now, I don't blame you, but you are gonna be missing out on some money though. You might miss out on some money right now, but you still gonna have a chance to make a lot of money whenever you choose to invest. So that's the good thing about it, right? So one, the hardest part about crypto is picking the right coin. But two, the hardest part about crypto is uh when to sell. You know what I'm saying? Because I understand how they say, don't be greedy and stuff like that. And this is just my opinion. This my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Like other people got their own opinions. Like don't be too greedy and stuff like that. And I understand that, right? Like yeah, I don't want to be too greedy, but I feel like one of the hardest parts of investment in crypto is when to sell. You know what I'm saying? Because you might be up $1,000, right? You might be up $1,000. You got $1,000 gain in your coin. You like, I'm selling. Soon as you sell, your coin goes up even higher. So now your cash out could have been $50,000. And you know they say a win is a win, which is right. But I'm always gonna win. You know what I'm saying? Like I can always make that $1,000. You feel me? I can always make that $1,000. So I feel like it really just depends on when you want to, like like they say, keep that mindset of don't be greedy, but understand that if the profit is too low, like 10,000, if it's at 10,000, don't be greedy. You know what I'm saying? Take that 10. But if it's only $1,000 gain, you can always you could make $1,000 in crypto easy. You know, you could probably make $10,000 in crypto easy. So it depends on how much money you got, right? But you can make $1,000 in crypto easy. So if you take that $1,000 gain, was that the right or wrong decision? So that's why I say that's the hardest part about crypto, because it's like, dang, I'm at $1,000. I can cash out at $1,000, or I can stay in and risk losing $1,000. Now, I might risk losing that $1,000. It might go back down to zero, or it might go back down to the negative. But it's gonna go back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, and even if it don't, so that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm a risk taker. That's what I am. So I'm really a risk taker. So with the being too greedy, I'm on the side of don't be too greedy, but I'm also a risk taker. So it's like if I feel like I can get more out of that $1,000, I'm gonna keep that money in there and hope that it goes up even more, where I can cash out for real, for real. But you know, if that coin go back down, you still can find another coin that you can get a scrape $1,000 out of. You know what I'm saying? So you might not scrape 1,000 out of that coin that made you 1,000 out of that one coin, but it might be another coin you put money in and you can make 1,000 out of it, or a few other coins that accumulate up to $1,000 and you make $1,000 out of the coin. You know what I'm saying? So, I feel like, yeah, that's the hardest thing about it for me. You know what I'm saying? Cashing out. I mean, you know, when to sell. Cause it's like, dang, sell at 1,000 or let it keep growing. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I said, keep the don't be too greedy in mind. You know what I'm saying? Don't be too greedy. Don't be like, oh, I can make more money out of it. But also know that you don't want to miss. You don't want to miss it actually going even higher. So like, all right, we're gonna give an example, right? Say you bought Bitcoin at $500. You bought Bitcoin at its lowest or whatever, right? Bitcoin goes up to $1,000, and you be like, I'm not gonna be too greedy. So you sell it when it goes to 1,000. No, that ain't a lot of money. You like, I ain't gonna be too greedy. So you sell it when it goes to $10,000, right? Bitcoin goes to $10,000. You sell it at $10,000. Now Bitcoin is at $57,000. So now you don't even have no Bitcoin. So now you just missed out on a big old gain. You know what I'm saying? You missed out on 40 something $1,000, or you missed out on 50 something thousand. You missed out on like $56,000 or 57,000, depending on how much extra it is. You missed out on all that money because you took out at 10 compared to taking out at 57. So that's why I feel like that's the hardest part about crypto, is when to sell. Because like I said, I buy Bitcoin at 50, 500, and it goes to 10. Should I sell it at 10, or should I see if it got more potential to keep going up and up and up. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna also give you a gem. You gotta subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna drop another video on what I do personally to make sure that I can lock myself in with cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I can lock myself in. Because if I say too much, you're going to know what I'm talking about. So you just got to watch that video to get the game on that. You feel me? But, yeah, that's the hardest part about crypto. When to sell. You feel me? Like they say, don't be too greedy. Keep that in mind. Don't be too greedy. But know that you can make. Now, if it goes up to 10,000, 10,000 ain't nothing, but it's a lot more. You know what I'm saying? If it goes up to 1,000, it's like it can go back down to zero or it can go below zero. My bad, the video had cut off. You feel me? But last thing that I wanted to say is it can go back to zero or below zero, but it can also go back up to 1,000 or above 1,000. So just keep that in mind. You feel me?